Think modern architecture is austere, cold, and better to admire than to live in? Think the desert is a hot, dry, and inhospitable place best appreciated in Grand Canyon travel photos? Think again. Desert Wing is an award-winning house designed by architect Brent Kendle that poetically expresses its connection to the land while proving that even minimalist modern design can be warm and comfortable. An extraordinary sight, combined with a contemporary minimalist vision and deep respect for the native desert, inspired the design of this home. Desert Wing appears to float above the desert, blending copper, steel, glass, concrete, and the ancient technique of rammed earth walls into a modern desert retreat that heightens the senses and lifts the spirit of those who live there. Its forms are not shaped by stylistic conventions, but by functional needs and the forces of the local climate. The thick rammed earth and concrete walls protect the interiors from the desert's relentless sun by using their mass to absorb heat, keeping it out during the day and releasing it during the cool desert nights. Oriented along an axis to maximize lake views and carefully block neighboring structures, the residence draws full attention to the surrounding natural environment. The planar roof forms, elegantly contoured, play a functional role in capturing and redistributing rainwater. The choice of materials goes beyond beauty and low maintenance. It reflects a commitment to local qualities. Copper, sourced from the Arizona desert, boldly clads the roof forms, creating the illusion of floating over both indoor and outdoor spaces. The rammed earth walls, made from soil excavated on site, rise gracefully from the desert floor, echoing the contours of the surrounding mountain range. The result is a home that integrates harmoniously with its environment, eloquently expressing its unique sense of place in the world. The angular roof structure is suspended above the height of the exterior walls on slender steel columns, allowing narrow clerestory windows to wrap around each interior space. The deep roof overhang enables full-height glass walls that open to the landscape and to semi-private courtyards. The expansive views, from the nearby desert vegetation to the distant city lights in the valley, become an essential part of the living experience.